Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra, your test coach. Today I will explain you few basic Excel formulas. It will help you in your day-to-day activity to perform any kind of calculations. Using these formulas, you can do a variety of actions in Excel that will increase your productivity and decrease the risk of making calculation mistakes. I will explain everything in detail. Please watch the complete video. Before we start, if you are very new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, then I have a long list of interview questions and tutorial videos for you. I'll give the playlist link in the video description. Please go through that. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any further notification. So let's start. So the very first thing we will learn how to perform addition. What are the different formulas we will use for addition? So I have already written few things so we can save the time. We'll just do the operation and you can see the formula what I am using it. Okay, so the first thing is addition. What we will add? We will add 50 plus 30 plus 40. Okay, so here we will write the result. So the first time when you will write any formula, right? So very first thing is you write the equal to symbol. So here I wrote equal to, then what we want to add. So this is something we will add, right? So just click on that and then just write plus symbol. Then you want to add this. So click on that, again plus symbol, again you click on this. Okay, so here if you will see, I got the result. What it is? 120. So 50 plus 30 plus 40 is 120, we know, right? So we got the result. And what is the formula? So here you can see the formula what I have written is equal to B3. So this is nothing but your B3 because B is the column and 3 is the row. So this is B3, this is B4 and this is B5. So here what it is written? When I am clicking here, you can see the formula here, right? So B3 plus B4 plus B5. This is giving us the addition result. So now you can tell me what is the other way. So this is one way. So what is the other way we can write it? So let me remove this. So this is very simple. This is what you can do whenever you want to add something, right? Just select from top to bottom and here there is a auto sum function, right? Just click on that. See, it is populating, right? So you can see sum of B3 to B5. Okay, so tomorrow if you have more columns, right, in that case you can just write, for example you want to do only these two, right? So in that case you can write sum of B3 and B4. Okay, and tomorrow if you think like the columns are increased, so you can give from B3 to, for example, B6. Okay, so this is not taking because we don't have that many things, right? So it is not taking. So here we have only 3. So you can just give 3. V5. So it is taking, right? So sum is the function and you can give from where we are starting till what you want, right? So the complete one. Okay, this is how you can get the addition of any numbers. Okay, now we will move to the subtraction. Okay, so here we want to subtract 40 from 100. So the very basic thing, again you have to write is equal to, then write this, then minus and this. Okay, so you can ask me again if we have multiple numbers, right? So for example 100, 40 and for example here we have 40 and we want to subtract. So how you can do that? Again the same thing, right? So you can write is equal to 100 minus 40 minus 20. Okay, you will get the result also. So if you want, like here we have used sum function, right? So do you have any subtract function, something like that? No, there is nothing like that, no subtract function like that. You can use the sum function, but the thing is you have to put these values in minus. For example, you have to subtract this and this from 100, right? So you can just put minus 40 and here minus 20, and then you can use this sum function is equal to sum of from, okay, 1 second, is equal to sum of bracket then this. Okay, so you got the result, right? So 100 minus 40 minus 20 is equal to 40. So if you change also this thing, see the result also changed. So now you know how to perform subtraction. Okay, now we will see multiplication. Okay, so again the same thing, you have to write is equal to, and this one, this is, you can see here F3. Okay, and for subtraction you can use this, and then the next one 30, right? So if you will see here, it is F3 into F4, so you got 600. Okay, so if you want to use any formula, or if you want to, for example, here we have another number, so 10. So how we will get it? Again the same thing, is equal to this number into this number into this number. So you need to select all these numbers. So we got the multiplication result. One more thing also you can use product. Okay, so is equal to that is the function. So product. So here you can see, right? Then you can give the numbers what you want to. So this number, then comma this number, comma this number. Okay, we got 6000. So this is how you can multiply multiple numbers. Okay, you can also write in this way. So here if you will see, you can write also F3 like this, that is also fine. So basically you can write is equal to product, and then from where to where, just select that. This will also give you the proper result. Now we will see how to do division. Okay, again simple thing, is equal to, give this and divided by symbol, then this one what you want to divide. Again there is no function for division and all. Okay, so you have to do like this only. Okay, so if this is changed tomorrow, for example it is 30, so you will get the result in decimal. Okay, so this is simple, the formula you can see here. This is the division symbol you can give, S3/S4. Okay, S3 is this one and S4 is this one. So here we are getting the result. Similarly, we will see how we will get remainder. So for remainder, what you need to do, you need to use one function. So what is the function you have to use? You have to use mod function. So you can write is equal to mod of. Okay, so what you want to write? The bracket, and here you can see the formula, right? Mod of number comma divisor. So number is this, comma divisor is this. Okay, so here you see 105, 20, the result is 5. This is correct, right? Here you can see mod J3 comma J4. So if I will just write here 103, what it will be the remainder? It will be 3, right? So let me write 3, 103. So here you can see the result is also 3. Okay, so this is how you can get remainder. Okay, now we will see how we can get percentage. So for example, just think in this way. So these are the marks. So someone has scored these marks out of 100, 50, 30, 40, and what is the overall percentage he scored, right? So here also the same thing I have written 50, 30, 40, and then 100, 120. The addition result is 120. So total mark is 300, because from 100 he scored 50, here also 30, here 40. So overall how much he scored, what is the percentage? So that we want to calculate, right? So to calculate that, what you can do, normal, when the basic mathematics, right, what we used to do is equal to, so first what is the total number, right? So total number he scored is 120. So we will take this, and then what we used to do? Divided by the total mark. So total mark is 300, then into 100 we do, right? So we will do the same thing. So B6 divided by 300, then here we will put some bracket and then into 100, right? So see, the percentage is 40, right? But what you can do in Excel, you have one thing, so you can use this percentage. So for that you don't have to write all these things. So simply what you can do, you can write is equal to the total, this is the total mark, right? So he scored 120, sum of all these three, so this divided by 300, okay. So you can see it is 0.4, but just click on this. So here you see this change to percentage, and here you can see the total percentage is 40%, okay. So for example, if we will increase, for example, he scored here 60, see the percentage changed to 50, okay. So from here I am taking total sum, okay. So that's why here it is B6 and this is 300 is total mark, okay, and then I am using this percentage symbol. So we are getting the result in the percentage, okay. Now let me just change it to 30, so we will get anyway 40%, okay. Now here what we will do, we will learn how to get maximum, okay. So we have some numbers, we want to know which one is maximum, how you will do this, right? So again, very simple, just select all these things and here you come, here you see one function, that max, okay. Just click on this, right? Here you see you got maximum of these things. So here you see the formula, what it is, max, then D11 is nothing but this, and then where it ends in here D13. That's why the formula is max of D11 colon D13, okay. This is how you can find maximum. If you have more columns, then you change accordingly this column. If you have more rows, then you change accordingly the row number, okay. Similarly for minimum, what is the minimum one, how you will find it? Again, just select all these things and here, from here you find this minimum function, okay, min function. So you see the minimum is 30. For example, if I will change to this one to 15, it should give us 15 also, right? So see, it is giving 15. So this is how you can find the minimum also. What is the formula? You see, minimum F11 colon F13. So from here to here. Similarly, we will see what is the average of all these numbers, okay. So how do you find the average? The basic formula is equal to total number, okay. So sorry, let me write it again, is equal to, first we will add all these numbers, right? This plus this plus this, okay, total number, then what we should do, divided by count, okay, divided by 3. So it is 40. So this is the basic mathematics I used, right? So you don't have to use this one. What you can do, simply see, this is the formula I used, simple mathematics, addition of 3 numbers divided by 3. You don't have to do all these things, you just delete it and here you just select how many numbers you have. Then from here you just select these average functions, okay. So click on this, see, you got the average as 40. So what is the function we have used? Average bracket H11 colon H13. So again, if you have more rows, change this accordingly, okay. So you got average also. Similarly, here we will see the count, okay. So for example, now here we know we have only 3 rows, okay. So if you have more rows, you have, how you will find how many rows? For example, you have 500 rows, how you will know? So just select all those things and then just come here and do this one, count numbers. So here you see total is 3, okay. So for example, I will delete this, see, the count is 2, okay, right. So you can, in this way you can count it, okay. So count total numbers. So the function we have used here is count, okay. So these all are the basic formulas you can use in your day-to-day activity. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.